My name is Brian Velez. I'm a singer-songwriter from Chicago, Illinois.
I can't believe you would hurt me so on my birthday just to let me go.
I've started this campaign to help raise funds for my new album, Blue Lightning. Funds raised will be used for mixing and mastering of the album, marketing both online and print, production of posters and a vinyl version of the album, a super cool listening party which you might be invited to, and of course shipping costs for all the perks that we offer.
I bet myself I can hear a shout, and I'm wondering what it's all about. Should I run when the sun goes down?
What makes my music different is the fact that people will hear the old influence, the classic stuff from the 60s, but also hear the modern. And I think overall that creates a brand new sound for them. Here are some samples of rough mixes of the rest of the tracks on the album.
Monotonous, repetitive, these are words relative to our surrender to give. And mine begins early, a high voltage journey throughout the city of winds. At dawn she shine and gold. I once climbed a ladder to the top and then I shattered. A puzzle was I, old pieces were left behind. In our coalition, she expected wise decisions.
If we reach our funding goal, you can expect a digital copy in October 2014 and the vinyl version in November 2014. If we're underfunded, the vinyl version may be delayed by 2 or 3 months, but we'll keep you posted if that happens. So please be contributing. Thanks for checking me out. I really hope you like the music. I really look forward to seeing this project completed with all of your help. Peace.
My new transformation into paintbrush lacked attention. The colors I saw meant nothing with the lights off.